moment with Duncan, this venue should be one. Kasi yung unang commercial namin together, dito namin sunod yun. Kasi kaya yun ang isa sa mga memorable sa akin na palaging moments with Duncan. But for sure, etong May 25 would be the greatest.
Pero like yung mga moments na tayo lang, I think yung pag, wala pong halong charot to, even before we became part of the Duncan family, yung Munchkins talaga, meron palagi pag like yung concert ni DJ, day 2, day 3, day 1, alam na nila ates yun kaya yung mga handler namin, mag-order na kaya ng Dunkin ni DJ, gusto lang Munchkin para mawala yung stress niya.
At malaking tulong yun sa relationship namin. Kunwari, medyo may hindi maganda yung mood ng isa't isa, nakakatulong yung Munchkins. Kaya, it's a hack.
Kaya nung nalaman namin na magiging part na po kami ng Duncan family, as in
Happy
talagang
talaga kami.
totoo na to!
Libre na siya. Together na parang talaga bonding talaga to nating lahat. Si Duncan ay nag-provide ng venue for all of us na magawa natin to. So we hope to see you guys there. Grab your tickets now. Free tickets, just buy your Duncan bottles at your selected Duncan stores.
Yun po. Sinabi mo na lang. Yan, magkita-kita po tayo sa May 25 Elevation Arena para sa Never Been Sweeter with TJ and KZ. Thank you so much, Ninang, Duncan,
Thank you
for
po.
making this possible.